Today is turning into something special at Camp Nou, happening right in front of our eyes. Ceramic llamas are rising rapidly, while on the lateral side, a surprise massive pillar is being lifted into position, pushing construction to a new level. Crews are working across multiple levels, key structures are rising, and the stadium is evolving fast. In this update, we'll cover the biggest developments you can't miss. Let's get straight into it. On the lateral side, what seemed like a quiet moment quickly became a major highlight. Just hours after one pillar was installed, a second massive pillar is now being lifted with precise crane control. The coordination and speed here are outstanding. Following yesterday's roof ring installation, this shows construction is moving at an incredible pace without interruption. In the Tribune section, steady progress continues along the front facade. New sandwich panels have expanded coverage, though some sections remain incomplete. Structural connections are coated with anti-corrosion material, showing finishing work is underway. Elevated platforms stay active as crews adjust connecting beams, while concrete work continues in upper sections, reflecting consistent development. Ceramic llama installation is progressing at an impressive pace. The lower section is nearly complete, with only small gaps previously near the pillar. Work has moved upward, where several llamas are already secured. A new piece is being lifted into position using a crane and platforms. Strong vertical progress continues as this section moves toward completion. In the north corner, structural framework development continues steadily. Work focuses on elevator shaft structures, where most primary beams are already installed. Workers continue welding and securing remaining components, nearing the final phase. The central north area remains active with floor and reinforcement work. Crews are drilling slabs and installing metal components for structural support. Additional reinforcements are being added, ensuring long-term stability. New structural supports for ceramic llamas are being installed across multiple sections. Supports are positioned based on design requirements, with some connections completed and others still in progress. This step is essential before expanding large-scale llama installation. In the diamond-shaped facade area, preparations for structural frame installation are underway. Workers and equipment are already in position, indicating work could begin soon. This will be followed by glass panel installation, marking another major visual transformation. At the first cantilever level, progress is mainly internal. Workers handle insulation materials and assemble scaffolding, preparing for upcoming phases. While external changes are limited, key groundwork is being completed behind the scenes. At the second cantilever level, activity is more visible. Multiple platforms are operating, while pillars are prepared with formwork at the top, indicating vertical extensions. Material movement and reinforcement work continue. In the south stand, prefabricated seating installation continues. A newly lifted seating unit has been placed in the lower tier of the second stand, though a visible gap still remains. This section is expected to progress quickly as more units are installed. A key moment on site involves the massive structural element known as the Falange. Suspended by crane chains, this enormous piece is the center of attention. Crews have paused multiple times to inspect connections, chain tension, and alignment. Once installed, this will mark a major milestone in the stadium's transformation. That wraps up today's Camp Nou construction update. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for future updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.